Here we are at our campsite here at Ichetucknee Springs Campground. It's a private campground just outside the Ichetucknee Springs State Park. Just about, a mile or so, half mile down the road is the north entrance of the park, right near the head springs of Ichetucknee Springs River. Great place to explore and either paddle, tube down the river. The state park has a $6 entrance fee. And I would definitely recommend checking that out. We did the paddle down the river and it was phenomenal. Just an amazing, serene place there. So much nature, all of the water life, the birds, turtles, manatees. It was pretty spectacular. So this was kind of our home base for doing that. Because it's so close by, very convenient. Tent sites here are $20 a night. You get a fire ring, little table. And the tent sites don't have an electric hookup or water. The other sites do. They have water and electric. So we'll show off some of those. This site is spacious enough for me and Kelly to both have our vans in here. It's been working out really good. It's just another example of one of the tent sites here. A lot of them are very spacious, as you can see here. Plenty of room to just pitch a tent and a few vehicles if you needed to. And then some of them are a little smaller, room for just a vehicle in your tent. But we've been very happy here. It's just a great, beautiful place. Has a very primitive vibe here. It's not your cookie cutter campground. Just coming back down the dirt road to the sites, you kind of feel like you're out boondocking almost. And we really enjoyed it. The sites are spaced far enough apart that if you have neighbors, they're a pretty good distance away. So we'll go check out some more of the sites, go up to the main office where they have bathrooms and they have a little rec area where they have pool tables and some video games. They do have 2 showers and then the 2 restrooms up there as well. There's only 50 sites here, so it's a smaller campground. And that's one of the things we've really liked about it. And this campground is in the process of switching owners. So the previous owners, the original owners, have been here, I believe, 40 years. And they're ready to retire and kind of be done with maintaining the park. So the new owner is in, Carl, and he is just a great guy, and he's really working his butt off to do a lot of maintenance and bring things up to newer standards. So he's been a busy man, but we'll see if we can stop by and get him to say hi. Again, here's another tent site. This is Site J, and it's just super spacious. You could fit again, a couple vehicles. Here's another tent site, but not as spacious. You know, you could pull your vehicle in here and you have your spot to pitch your tent, or there's kind of a cutoff. This back part here, they don't want RVs down here, although you could fit an RV in there. They prefer the RVs to be up front in the sites that have the electric and water. Site I here, another nice spacious one. This is the main office building behind this giant, beautiful oak tree. That thing is just massive. And then the camp host is over here in a trailer. And they have a big group fire ring. We'll go take a look at that. And this is a neat campground. They have a lot of free roaming animals. I think there's 18 cats. They mostly stay up here around the office because that's where they get fed. There is a big potbelly pig. They've got a little calf that they're raising and a couple more little piglets. And I believe a few dogs. So we'll go take a look at the office building here. That's it. Out in front of the office, they have a little pond here. It's kind of nice. They do have firewood for $5 a bundle. Inside the office building, they have the men and women's restroom. Little game room here with a couple pool tables, an air hockey table. Nice fireplace. And then through here is where the 2 showers are. It's on-demand hot water. And then they do have an RV dump as well, because there are no sewer hookups at the hookup sites. They have water and electric, but you need to pull back here to dump your tanks. This is the camp pig here. He's a healthy one. Yeah. There. We forgot your name. We don't remember your name. Like your teeth. Yeah.
I like your nose.
Kicks its feet up while it's sniffing around. Hey, buddy. Hey, I got no food for you.
There you go. Is that what you were waiting for?
Yeah, he gets hungry.
You waiting for that? You are so cute. Oh, I feel like I disappointed him. He doesn't have his own thumb, so we had to find somebody else's. It's like oh my god!